Good evening. Welcome to Bruce's Box Breaks. Tonight we're doing Rookie Anthology 2012-2013, break number 4. The last team shown is Winnipeg Jets, and the time was 1916 when it sold. So, eBay time. Where is it here? We'll refresh her up here. eBay time, dun, dun, dun. 1644 Pacific, 1944 Eastern. So, welcome to the Sunday night. Sunday night goings on. Okay, well, here's our list. Let's get on with our list here. Okay. Lots of repeat people, repeat customers. That's good to see. Appreciate the business. I've got a Don Russ here going a little bit later tonight, but telling you that right now doesn't mean anything, does it? Because you won't see it by then. Okay, so it's break number 4, and there's the serial number that I put down. And the box is here and it's not opened, and the serial number there looks to be different. I got my number mixed up, my 0. It should be 10874. I've got 18740. That's just me. This is the box, trust me. There's the 4 on the back of it. Oh my, can't see all that great, so. Let's get this set up here. Set up so I can see it. Okay. What a beautiful day. Prism. Nice sunny day. Got my bike out and got a ride on that. Nice. Okay. So, back there a bit. Okay, good luck everybody. And Cup contenders, Louis Erickson for the Dallas Stars, numbered 395 out of 999, and that is the Stars. The dreaded base pack. Well, that most certainly means we're probably going to have a double hit in one pass. I hope, anyway. And we do, yeah. For the Florida Panthers, Colby Robeck. It's numbered 703 out of 999, and that's for the Panthers. And for the Ottawa Senators, game worn gear of Jason Spezza. Spezza. And that's Ottawa. I like to butcher the names just like the rest of them. Some guys are pretty good at them. Well, here's the Oilers. Philippe, Cornette, and that's your rookie treasures. 260 out of 699. Nice. Whoops. Going backwards here. Putting them in the wrong pile. As I've been known to do once or twice. That's alright. We'll check them over. Phil Esposito for Contenders Legacies. 306 out of 999. There's one of those in every box. Nice hit coming in this one. Nice and thick anyway. And we've got the Great Outdoors. Pittsburgh Penguins. Marc-Andre Fleury. And that is numbered 234 out of 500. That's for the Pittsburgh Penguins. And for the Coyotes, Michael Stone. Beautiful. Rookie silhouette. Autograph. 79 out of 99. That's a nice puffy patch there, or seam, I guess. Sweet. Who has Phoenix? Phoenix is Franklin-CA. Congratulations on that, Franklin. Welcome to the breaks. And for 1277 947M, I didn't know how to pronounce that one. Colby Armstrong for the Montreal Canadiens. As you can see, Canadiens on the back, Toronto on the front, but it says Montreal Canadiens on the front also. I know, it sucks when that happens. Trust me, I know. But, not much we can do about it. A lot of Boston ones like that this year. And for the St. Louis Blues and BB_Pooch 84, Poo 84. Vezina Contenders, Brian Elliott. And that is numbered 78 out of 999. I think I've got my problem of when I upload the videos, it doubles it up a lot, and the second part doesn't have sound. I'm going to try a new program tonight to convert it and see how that works. And for the St. Louis Blues again, Lords of the NHL, David Beckles. And they are not numbered. St. Louis. Last pack. Hopefully it's a good hit. And it's Elite Rookies. Jake Allen for the St. Louis Blues. Jeez, St. Louis really come on this last. They must have had a power play or something. $5.99 out of $9.99. Yeah, power play for the Blues. Hat trick, actually. Now for the Prism. Okay, good luck on the Prism, everybody. I gotta tell you, I like this little insert pack, but I'm not so fussy on on the boxes of it. For the caps, we got Alex Ovechkin, and we've got Joe Pavelski, a Prison, red hot, whatever, not numbered. And we've got a rookie of Chris Kreider for Aaron 2 and the Rangers. So, oops, yep. So there you go. Thank you, everybody. Got another box on tomorrow night. Another box tomorrow night, and the next night, and the next night. So we'll just do a quick recap. Kreider for the Rangers, Pavelski for the Sharks, Ovechkin for the Capitals, Allen for the Blues, Backus for the Blues, and Elliott for the Blues, and Colby Armstrong for the Canadians. Here's a sweet one for the Coyotes, Michael Stone for Pittsburgh, Fleury for the Bruins, Esposito for the Oilers, Cornette for the Senators, Spezza for the Florida Panthers, Robeck, and for the Dallas Stars, Erickson. Okay, that's it. Thanks a lot. Have a good night, everybody. Enjoy the breaks.